Okay guys, welcome to another video of Garden Obsessions. We're going to be doing some shade containers for our patio area. I'm going to be using some creeping Jenny, Everillo Carex grass. And then we have here a 5th Avenue Coleus. This one, the color should be a little bit darker. We've kept this one inside so the rain didn't get to it. And we have some begonias here, a pink color. And then over here we have a Royal Hawaiian Diamond Head Elephant Ear, and these should be black. We kept these inside as well, away from the sun, because of the rain not getting to it. So a quick tip I learned about begonias is that they have a male and female flower. The male flower are single flowers and the female flowers are double blooms here. If you want them to grow more flowers, all you got to do is pick the male flowers and they'll start producing more. Okay guys, so here's our two shade containers we're going to put in our patio. All these plants here are shade tolerant. We went with the coleus over here in this color to bounce back against the begonias here, and the creeping Jenny will go back to the Everillo Carex grass over there. Now these weren't, like I said, they weren't potted. They've been sitting inside because of the rain and the harsh weather we've had here in the last couple of days. So hopefully the color will come back. The original color of the ears, let me see if I can find one here, is that shade of black right there. And the coleus is a bit much darker than that, but I think it came out nice. I think the colors contrast really nice with each other. Okay, so we did fertilize these with a Biotone starter. Being that they're going to be in the shade and they're such huge containers, they'll retain more moisture. We'll maybe water them twice a week. With the summer getting a little bit hotter, we may change that and maybe water it 3 times a week, just depending on how much they dry up being underneath the shaded area. Okay guys, always remember that there's different types of begonias. There's pinks, there's red, there's corals, coleus. You can find them in all kinds of colors. If you don't like pink, you can go with anything you want. I think we picked a good color combination. If you like it, please give us a like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.